and I just want to show you my new toy. I just got it today. It's the Alesis Recital 88 key digital keyboard. I'm so excited about this keyboard. I'm not a musician, but I love music. So I'm going to unbox this baby and let you see what's inside. So we have this. We don't need this. Oh yeah. Yeah. There is something in here. I don't know what it is. Ooh. How do you get it open? Hey, I can't get that open. Hey, what's up? What's going on here? There we go. It's the power adapter. A power adapter for Alesis. Yeah, that's a power adapter right here. That's it. Nothing in here. Nothing here. Stuff in here. What's this? What's this? This is a music stand, maybe. I don't know. Manual. Okay, this is the manual. This is the manual for it. Yeah, but who reads this stuff? Nobody. Throw it aside. There we have. They're beautiful. Beautiful recital. Now I must say it is semi-weighted, not fully weighted. It is semi-weighted. Oh, beautiful. Control knob, chorus, beautiful. All right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plug this baby up and see what's gonna happen. So this is what I've been using so far, and it is the Yamaha YPG 235. Beautiful piano, beautiful sound, but I don't use any of the sounds on the pianos. I really don't care for the sounds on the keyboard themselves. I use soft synths and contact, and I have all the pianos available to me. All right, so I'm going to replace this. This also is my old controller. This is the Roland A40. I've had it for about 15 years. Yeah, about 15 years. Yeah, but it has MIDI connections. Who has time for MIDI connections? Now we have USB, so I'm going to use USB. So stay tuned. I'm going to hook the baby up and see how it performs. Right, so now I'm here at the piano. I'm excited to hear how this instrument sounds. Wow. Not bad for a $199 US piano. Not bad at all. We got some other tones here. electric piano, and we have organs. Yeah, I'm not really an organ person. And that is synth. And of course we have the bass. There's a demo on this. I guess you press this together. Not bad. Not bad for $199 US. Not bad at all. I just love this piano. I love it. So yeah, this is my unboxing of this piano. This is not a review because I have not tried it yet. So maybe later on I'm going to give you a review of this piano. But for now, it's just an unboxing. And I'm just going to try this.